Got my buddies out here, Max and Frankie, testing on a somewhat cloudy day. These solar panels. This is 160 watts, 18 volts. That's a 100-watt panel. This is a folding 250s. And it's just a little thing I used to put on my truck. And of course, cloudy day. And a 300-watt panel, 18 volts. The little panel puts out 21 DC on a cloudy day. This PWM is shot, so I'm going to go in from the back. I think I do get some readings, but not a really good reading. $19. It's cloudy. And on the 250s, getting 17. Well, putting out about the same amount. And for that 200-watt panel that was on my roof, that's putting out 34. I believe it's, with a sunny day, it'll go up to 48. And for this 160-watt foldable, 18 volt, you get 19. It's cold out here today, and not very sunny.